Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to present your UI/UX design on Behance with Figma. If you're a UI/UX designer, how you present your work is just as important as the design itself. A clean, well-structured presentation on Behance can make your project stand out, attract recruiters, and showcase your skills in a professional way. Instead of just uploading random screenshots, the goal is to present your designs in a way that tells a story and highlights your thinking process. To begin, open your project in Figma. Once your design is ready, select the frames or screens you want to showcase from your Figma board. Make sure you choose the final versions of your designs, the ones you want people to see in your portfolio. Now, look toward the lower right corner of the screen. You'll find the Export section. Click on it. Set the format to PNG. PNG is recommended because it maintains high quality and works well for portfolio presentations. After selecting PNG, click Export. Your designs will now be downloaded to your computer. Next, open a new tab and go to Behance. Log into your account. Once you're inside your dashboard, click on Create a Project. This will open the project editor where you'll build your presentation. Now open your File Explorer and locate the designs you just downloaded from Figma. Go back to your Behance project editor. You'll see an image section where you can upload your content. Simply drag and drop your exported PNG files into the section. Your designs will automatically upload and appear inside your project. Once your images are uploaded, you can start organizing them. Arrange your designs in a logical order. For example, introduction or cover image, wireframes, optional, final UI screens, key features or highlights. Make sure your presentation flows naturally and is easy to follow. Before publishing, take a moment to preview your project. Check that all images are clear and properly aligned, the order makes sense, the overall presentation looks clean and professional. Once everything looks good, click Publish. Your UI/UX project is now live on Behance. To summarize, presenting your UI/UX design on Behance involves exporting your designs from Figma as PNG files, creating a project on Behance, and dragging and dropping your images into the project editor. From there, you can organize and publish your work professionally. And that's how to present your UI/UX design on Behance using Figma. This process might seem simple, but the way you organize and present your work can make a huge difference in how it's perceived. Remember, people viewing your portfolio aren't just looking at your designs. They're evaluating how you think, how you communicate, and how well you present your ideas. As you build more projects, focus on clarity, storytelling, and consistency. Those are the things that will set you apart from other designers. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.